Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. And I got a question for you guys. I'm looking at the time right now. It's 12:02 and it's a Friday. So the question is this. Just like last Friday, I asked you this question. Are you ready to change your life before the end of the weekend? Are you ready to finally make that decision to start the business that you always said that you wanted to start, but you just never got around to? Now, if you're ready to make this Friday different from last Friday, then I want to invite you guys to click the link in the description of this video so that you can start your free affiliate marketing training. And then you can go through our system that's going to allow you to learn how to start generating an income from home within the next 48 hours. Because I want you to start generating the income before you have to go back into work on Monday. So that once when you get there, you'll come in to work with a newfound positive attitude. You're going to know at that point that you found something that can possibly replace your current job. So with that, I want to invite you guys, click the link in the description of this video. I'll also put some other links around so that you can join the private Facebook group also, so that you can, be a part of the team and the community and start getting all of the extra benefits and the trainings that come along with that. With that, have a great rest of your day.